Hi, my name is Macklin and I'm a Teen Services Librarian at the Ellettsville branch of the Monroe County Public Library. And today we're going to be talking about how to make a cake in a mug with just a few ingredients that you probably already have at home.
Alright, here's everything that you're going to need. You're going to need a 1/4 cup of flour, a 1/4 cup of milk, I use soy, 3 tablespoons of sugar, 3 tablespoons of cocoa, a tablespoon of oil, a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. That's 1/2 capful. The first thing that you're going to do is you're going to take your clean mug and you're going to go ahead and add your dry ingredients, starting with the flour. Then the cocoa and sugar. Give your dry ingredients a good mix and make sure you get the bottom of the mug. The first few times I made this, I forgot the bottom and there was a bunch of unmixed flour at the bottom. I kind of forgot about my baking soda and my salt. Ideally, those would get mixed in with the other stuff, but it doesn't really matter. Then you're going to add your wet ingredients, starting with a tablespoon of oil, your vanilla, and your milk. Once everything is in the mug together, mix it up with a fork. At first it's going to be very dry and clumpy, but as you keep going, it should take on the consistency of brownie batter. At this point, I noticed mine was still a little bit too clumpy. So if that ends up happening to you, feel free to add a little bit more liquid. Just make sure to go a little bit at a time. So I add just a splash more of my soy milk, and that really got things going. The end result that you're looking for is about the consistency of brownie batter. Once everything is all nice and mixed up, you're going to stick it in the microwave for about a minute. That depends on your microwave, of course. Mine ended up taking actually about 1 minute and 20 seconds. Be very, very careful when you take it out. The mug will be hot. And as you can see, even though the top may look a little bit wet still, it's actually going to be nice and cooked on the inside. You don't want to overcook this because it might get a little bit rubbery if you do.
Alright, as you can see, that was really easy and it was all done in less than 4 minutes. So you're craving chocolate and you can't get to the store, this is a really good option. Alright, we'll see you soon.
Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out the library's teen Instagram at MCPL Indiana Teen, and also subscribe to our YouTube channel to see all of the library's upcoming teen videos.